Did you know an ex-felon risked everything to expose a horrific secret that saved hundreds of innocent animals? Kevin Martinez had just landed a job at Sunny Meadows Animal Shelter after serving 2 years for burglary. As part of his parole, he desperately needed steady work. But within weeks, something felt wrong. Healthy dogs and cats kept disappearing from the adoption area. The director claimed they were euthanized for space, but Kevin noticed unmarked vans picking up cages at night. He started following the trucks and discovered the truth. The animals were being sold to illegal research laboratories for painful experiments. Hundreds of loving pets tortured instead of finding homes. Kevin secretly recorded transactions for weeks, knowing he could lose his job and violate parole. Staff threatened him when they noticed his questions. But he contacted animal welfare investigators anyway. The evidence led to massive raids that rescued 200 animals and shut down an entire underground network. Kevin received national recognition and became a rescue organization manager. Sometimes doing right means risking everything.